Hello, amazing viewers, and welcome back to Eboing People TV. Have you heard? Well, if you haven't, please kindly come closer. Enugu is currently experiencing a massive transformation under the leadership of Governor Peter Mbah. I mean, there's no one else, right? The state is rapidly evolving from a civil service hub to an industrial powerhouse, and the proof is right here. Earlier today, the Watson Time Door Manufacturing Company was officially commissioned by Governor Peter Mbah in Nachi. Nachi is a town located in the Udi local government area of Enugu State, Nigeria. Enugu is now home to a state of the art door manufacturing factory. This is really huge if you ask me. This is a huge milestone for the state as it's becoming a magnet for investment all over Nigeria. Imagine getting your made in Enugu doors from the groundbreaking facility. Meanwhile, we at Eboing People TV are beyond excited today. Who can guess? Me especially, because guess what? We've just hit an incredible milestone, 6,000 subscribers. That's right. 6,000 of you have joined this beautiful community, and we can't thank you enough for all your love and support so far. The entire Boy People TV team is so grateful, and to show our appreciation, we've got something very special lined up for you. Okay, we are giving a big birthday shout out to all our amazing viewers who have birthdays coming up soon. So, if you have your birthday around the corner, we want to celebrate with you. Just text your name and where you're watching from to the number now showing on your screens. I will make sure to give you a special birthday shout out in our next video. Okay? And also, don't forget, we are your go to source for all things event coverage, whether it's photography or videography. We've got you covered for any event within and outside Ebonyi State. Need us for your special occasions? Just reach out. Simply reach out and we'll be there to capture those beautiful moments. Okay, back to Enugu State. If you've ever thought about investing in Enugu State, now is just the perfect time, trust me. Governor Peter Mbah is not here to play. He just unveiled these beautiful, high quality doors, and we even got a behind the scenes tour of what the door manufacturing industry looks like at Watson Time. You don't want to miss it, right? Be an early investor and watch Enugu's industrial revolution unfold. We want you to take your time, okay, and feed your eyes. Take a tour around this massive industry and appreciate Enugu State for this one. Once again, thank you so much for 6,000 subscribers. We wouldn't be here without your support, and we're excited to keep bringing you the best of what Ebonyi State and the Southeast have to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And remember, if it's happening in Ebonyi State or anywhere in the Southeast, you hear it first right here on Ebonyi People TV. Until next time, take care and keep shining. See you in our next video. Bye bye.
You are giving